What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to reset power bank and the bank maintenance steps. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates, like the video, share the video and comment under the video to make it more famous with your friends. So what you exactly have to do is to simply follow the simple steps to reset the power bank. So number one is turn off your power bank. Find the power button on your power bank, press and hold it until the power bank turns off. If there isn't a power button, just unplug the power bank from any charging source. Disconnect all the devices or cables and then reset the power. Locate the reset button on your power bank, press and hold it for a few seconds, then release the reset button. Note the reset button is usually a small button or pinhole located on the side or the back of the power bank. And after that, then on the power bank. After that, you can turn on the power bank back, wait for your power output or bank to fully charge before using it again. So these are some steps that you actually need to follow in order to get your power bank reset. So if you find this video helpful and straightforward, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Take care very much. Thank you.